Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to another day with Mariam. Welcome back to another vlog. Hope inshallah you all are doing well. I am just cooking my dinner, so I will show you guys what I'm making today. Today I'll be making stir fried. Oopsies, I'm gonna use that one. Yes, so I have one chicken breast here that I am going to slice. Okay. This is all the ingredients, some of them that I will need, so I'll show you later. Okay, so let me get my bowl out. Excuse me please guys. So one whole chicken breast, I think that's 200 something, 250 grams. Okay, I'm going to slice it for my stir fried. I'm just cutting off the fat that's there. I don't really like when I ask them in the butchers to cut it for me, but they don't really cut it properly, so I'm going to go in that way. Slice it like this. On my stir fried I am going to be using broccoli, spring onion, yellow pepper. I don't have any green or red today. Yellow pepper. You need dark soy sauce. If you have Maggi, I'll show you guys, you'll need that. And also you will need the stir fried sauce. And my daughters like broccoli and mushroom, so I'm going to put broccoli and mushroom to them. And I will show you which noodles I'll be using today. I do make my own sauce, but today I really can't be bothered. I just cleaned the whole house. Went gym in the morning, came back, cleaned the house, washed everything. Some part of the chicken will be tricky, so you gotta I don't know, cut it anyhow you want it basically. There's this app that I would like to share with you guys because I know holidays coming over. So the app is basically it's an app where you put down your postcode, your child's age, and then once you put that down, and it tells you all the activities during the holiday that it's in your area, or if you want to go somewhere further down a bit more, everything comes up. Some you have to pay, some is free. So inshallah I will show you guys the app. Just check it out during the holiday. I know you get so busy with the kids and it's very expensive. So as you can see, the chicken is done. I'm gonna wash the chicken. I used a different chopping board because the other one I used for my chopping vegetables, and this I use for my meat. I'm gonna chop my mushroom and my broccoli on that one today inshallah. Chicken is sliced. I'm gonna wash that. If you guys are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, please press that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I actually upload new videos, and please press that like button as well. So now guys, I have one packet of mushrooms here. There is a closed cup chestnut mushrooms. I like to wash my mushrooms first and then cut them. You can put any sort of vegetable you want in your stir fried, any vegetable of your own choice. Or if you don't want to put any vegetable, you don't have to put any vegetable. Just make it however way you want it. But this is the way I make it, so I thought, you know what, come around, I can have a chit chat with you guys. Okay, now I have one broccoli here, so I'm going with the broccoli. Same what I did with the mushrooms, I'm going to wash the broccoli properly. I'm just going to put some oil and salt into the water where I am actually going to boil my noodles. Cleaning is one hard job, guys. It's just like clean. I think that's what I would do, clean. These are the noodles that I'll be using. Is the Blue Dragon medium egg noodles. I did get 2 packets, but I think I'm going to just use 1 packet. They do come quite a big quantity. And then I bought this. This is the chow mein stir fry sauce. It's £1 in Iceland. They does a triple pack. You get 3, so it's a really good price, that one. And don't forget, you also need this. The dark soya sauce. That's also a Blue Dragon. And I also like to use some Maggi seasoning on my stir fried. And also I will be using rapeseed, toasted sesame oil. Okay. Nusra, when you finish, can you come and help mommy, please? Okay, my daughter. Okay, now I'm just going to separate the broccoli from there. It's easy to do it with the scissors, then you don't, it's faster. With the knife, it's just time consuming, so you know, that's just quick and easy. As you can see, didn't take long. Okay. So I'll have to do another wash after I separated them. I don't know what's inside what. Okay, guys. So guys, this is the mushroom. Let's give this a wash. Washing properly until I just wash the. So yeah, so write down in the comment box, guys, what you guys doing for your school holidays. If you've got anything planned, if you're going anywhere interesting, or any places that you know you've been. It's nice with children, so I would love to know. Really like to hear new ideas, because we have a long 6 to 7 weeks ahead. It's going to be one busy one. Okay, so I'm just going to slice them like that now, and then as you can see, I find the chestnut ones taste better, but I use the white ones there for my mushroom sauce. But I do make this with you can put them in anyway. I put them on my my bhajis that I make, like potato bhaji, if I make cabbage bhaji, anything, I put them there. Or even pumpkin. They taste really nice with pumpkin and prawns. Or you can just fry them on its own with prawn, with a little bit of Maggie's seasoning sauce, and roasted what's it called, caramelized onion. They taste delicious. And you can put it into your sorry, something there. Put it in, you know, in the toast in the morning. If you have leftover of the mushroom, like in the mornings, you can just put that in your toast, and voila, it just tastes delicious. It's all halal. I would like to give some shout out to 2-3 of my friends actually, who's been very motivated and really motivating me. Really, this support. One is Sister Amina, one is Sister Manal, and one is Sister Sophie. I really, really appreciate your motivation, your suggestions, your kind words. Wallah, when I hear your feedbacks, it just makes me, you know, want to carry on. And thank you so much for your wonderful, wonderful comments and support. Wallah, it means the world to me. May Allah reward you all. Just make dua for me, inshallah. Yep, so this, the broccoli, I've actually sliced them, made them into half because you don't want them to be too thick. Just make it a bit thinner. That's it. Voila, it's done. So chopping the vegetable, inshallah, is done, guys. So while that's done, guys, I'm just going to quickly wash this off. So after I finish this, because I like to do the washing as I go along. I really don't like building up plates and cups and the whole thing. I really hate that. I know some of your kids, some schools are closing early, some schools are closing next week. It would be just nice if they all broke up together, the school broke together, then it's easy. Now it's like, I have one lot that's finishing this week, and then I have another lot that's finishing next. My noodles are actually done now. So I'm going to drain the noodles, guys. So the noodles, what happened, when you do the noodles, guys, once you drain the noodles, sorry it seems like I'm shouting, but once you drain the noodles, make sure you have them under cold water. What happens is if you leave it on warm, they get stuck to each other. So it's very crucial and important that you actually have them under cold water. So it doesn't really stick. As you can see, guys, this is the noodles and everything. Okay, guys. So, guys, I've got one yellow pepper. Just gonna do the julienne. Is it julienne? What do they call that? Those slices. I don't really know how to say it. Sorry, guys, because I'm so nervous. Sometimes I get nervous and start stuttering. So please forgive me. Inshallah, it will get better within time. So you just want it like this, basically, or whichever way you like. You know, you can have it thinner, you can have it cubes, whichever way that you prefer. You can have it any way you want. And then I've got about 3 spring onions. Sorry, guys. I forgot to mention, guys, I'm going to put garlic cloves. I'm going to slice them, but the garlic will go in with the chicken. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing at the chicken now. With the chicken, guys, I am putting the sesame, that toasted sesame oil onto the pan, and then it will go in with my garlic, chicken, and then the pepper and the broccoli and the mushroom, and then I'm going to transfer that back to another bowl, and then I'm going to do the onion separately. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, it's a lovely smell. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna let that the garlic is there, so in goes in with my chicken. And then when I put my chicken, guys, I like to put salt in there. I don't know how you guys like it, but I like my salt. Pepper. I'm just gonna go in slightly with the black pepper and guys, chili flakes. Chili flake and pepper is up to you. That's if you want to, if you like it spicy. It's totally up to you again. So yeah. Now guys, goes in my pepper. Spring onion. What happened? She doesn't want to sleep?
No.
Can you leave that door open because it's getting just him open that door?
Showed you in your video.
Open that door.
No, not shut. Open the door then.
She keeps on shutting that door for some
Open the
reason.
focus up her nose for me, please.
Oh, you know, I'm tired.
I quite show the camera your beautiful face. Say boo. Get your head in.
Stop
sorry.
it.
Sorry, me love.
Who did it, my love?
Ice cream? Let's have ice cream together.
Outside, don't hear.
Outside? Okay. Mum's kicking us out, teacher.
So yeah guys, so I'm just waiting for that to get done. While that cooks, I'm going to slice my onion. Goes in with me. Vegetables, guys. So the vegetable will cook in the gravy, so the water, that stock that came out of the chicken. I put one medium and one small onion in there. And change of plan, I'm gonna put them in there with the vegetables. The kids are hungry, so that would save me some time. Just crunch it out and you put it there. I don't know if you guys can see. Sorry guys. There we go, guys. As you can see guys, there's lots of water that came out, so now I am going to go in and oh, the smell guys is divine. Oh, and you also need guys sesame seed, so you can just sprinkle that on top of it. I'm going to use one sachet of the what's it called, stir fried chow mein sachet one, and then I'm going to, it's up to you how much you want to put. You're totally up to your own measurement. So this is what I am. This is my own measurement guys, because I'm making it quite a large portion, so you can maybe put 1 tablespoon of the dark soy sauce. I think I put down here 3 tablespoons. Give it a good stir. As you can see, the color has changed. Oh, the smell guys, mashallah. Just put a little bit more. chili flakes. And if you like it spicy, what you do, you just get cayenne peppers and just put it on top of it, and it's absolutely fine after that. It's delicious. So you can see, guys, I'm going to put the lid on, and that's going to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that I'm going to put the noodles there, and that's it. But if you guys want, you guys can put green chili there. That's totally up to you. Slightly bit of sweet chili sauce. This is my way of cooking, guys. It tastes delicious. You guys probably think, oh, she's putting so much stuff in there, but you know what? It's lovely. It's just, mashallah, it tastes yum. We're gonna just let that cook now. Just gonna show you guys what happened to the noodles. See, if you put the noodles from when it's boiled, the noodles are done. You put it into oh, come on, guys. You put it into cold water and they separate. They don't stick together, so you just get it just like the ones that are in the shop. So yeah, try that, guys. It's a small trick, so try it, inshallah. I'm sure you all know. If you don't know, well, there you go. And if you guys know any other tricks or anything else that you make your noodles, let me know. Or if you tried my way, please, guys, tag me on my social media. Take a picture and share your experience. I love reading your comments, love hearing from you guys. So please give this video a big thumbs up. And share with your friends and family. Get them to subscribe if they still haven't. Now, guys, I'm using with my noodles. Give me the sesame seeds, please.
Yes, I will. Where are your sesame seeds?
There somewhere.
I see jalapenos.
So my loves.
Oh, my love. Hazelnut.
If you guys, I don't know, it's just looking delicious. You know basil? Did you guys ever have basil? There's a basil, it's a noodle shop.
Spicy basil.
Spicy basil. It's a spicy basil.
Yeah.
The noodles are delicious. It looks just like that.
Amazing. A little bit drier though.
Huh?
A little bit drier than your one.
Yeah, I think they put too much oil as well.
Yeah.
They're full of oil in there. Good Lord of us. And they put chili there.
Hidden foods.
That's it, guys.
I don't know where your
It's there. If you open that, you'll see.
What is which one?
Just get 2 of these, guys, and just mix it good. Give it a good mix. It took me 15 to 20 minutes, guys.
Very nice, very quick, simple dinner.
And today I will be eating with you guys as well. So yeah,
Mukbang.
we'll be eating together, and I'll be having a chit chat with my daughter and their school, how they're looking forward to the school holidays.
I don't know what cupboard you said that the things are in.
As you can see, my lovelies, it is done.
It's in there.
And I am going to sprinkle with some of this wonderful sesame seed, guys. It's called, I don't know if it's not for oil there. Sesame seed is this brand, Natco. And I like to have mine with slightly bit of jalapenos with it. And so I'm gonna, that's it, guys. Don't want to put too much. It's your personal choice again about the sesame seeds. It's totally up to you. The sesame seeds are absolutely your own choice. I do it because my girls like it. That's it, guys. It's done. So I'm going to dish it out for the girls now. There you go, guys. This is what it looks like. Hey, Bismillah. Is it nice? Is it yummy? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Mommy. Who made it? Who cooked? Who cooked? Who made the food?
There you go.
Bismillah. Mmm. It's nice. It tastes like the basil one, isn't it, Anna? Huh? No. Which one is right hand, my love?
Oh.
Which one is right hand? Right hand, Khadija. Khadija, eat with right hand, please. Khadija,
Yeah.
right hand. Right hand. That's it. Thank you.
Nemo.
Okay, guys, this is all of us eating, except my second older. She doesn't like noodles. She said she had her food. As you can see, guys, oh my god, it's delicious. I usually add a little bit of jalapenos to mine. No, Mama, that's jal.
Spicy.
এটা অনেক জাল বাবা, এটা খেতে পারবে না। এটা তোমার জন্য না, মাম্মি।
Spicy. It's spicy.
It's spicy.
It's spicy.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Is it spicy?
Yeah.
Where is spicy?
There.
Mouth closed.
It's spicy? Did you have a nap today? Hmm?
Oh, face. Sorry.
This side.
It's broccoli. What's your name, Mummy?
My name is Didon.
How old are you? How old are you, baby?
My dear.
How old are you?
2.
Are you 2? Good job, baby.
Isn't it? It's pronounced jalapeno.
Food by 7.
Jalapeno.
What are you? Over you.
So as you can see, guys, it says it's got today.
Mommy.
And then what it will tell you today is where they have what sort of... Yes, my love.
Hello.
Okay, 1 minute. Mommy's talking now, okay?
Okay.
So, and then it will show you what activity is going on where, what time, what group of age. And then as if you tap here on the left hand side,
It's watching.
you'll see it says ages.
Yeah.
So you click on that button there, and then this screen comes up. This screen will come up and you just tap in your children's ages, whatever age they are. So I'll come out of there now, and then it will tell you what's on tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, or if you go onto calendar, if you tap in whatever the date is, and it will show you what's nearby. And also when you download the app, it's completely free. There's no catch, nothing. You just put on your postcode, and then it will tell you whatever's nearby, basically. So yeah, guys, so if you really obviously it's going to be getting very busy at holidays, please check it out and let me know how you found this this app. It was helpful or what. That was introduced to me by my daughter's health visitor, and I found it really helpful. Like some days I'm at home and I don't know what's going on, then I just go on it and I see what's nearby. Sometimes some of the activities do charge a bit and some don't. You just gotta keep on looking, so have a look, inshallah. And yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and close up my video today here, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will be back with more videos. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.